Hi, welcome to UEI Kitchen. My name is Chef Abhijeet and I'm actually at UEI Global Delhi. Today I will be demonstrating an old Chinese recipe, that is devil's chicken. Now why it is called as devil? Because it is very spicy and it is red in colors just like the eyes of devil. So these are the ingredients which you will be needing for making devil's chicken. MSG, that is monosodium glutamate, this is also called as Ajinomoto, salt, pepper powder, red chili powder, chili paste, garlic, Chinese wine vinegar, oyster sauce, white vinegar, corn flour, chicken, some spring onions, some bell peppers and some garnishes, refined oil and refined flour. Now step 1, I have taken corn flour and refined flour, approximately 100 grams as it is given in the recipe. I will put some seasoning, with some salt, some pepper powder, some MSG and some refined oil. We'll pour in some water and then we'll make a batter. This is the batter in which I will dip in and fry the chicken. Step 2. I've taken the washed chicken. I'll put some salt. Again, this is where I'm doing the marination of devil's chicken. Some refined oil, garlic paste or crushed garlic, whatever you want to take, some chili paste, MSG, Chinese wine vinegar, and I will mix it to marinate. Just I will keep it for around an hour to marinate and then I will deep fry it. Step 3. Now I will be dipping the marinated chicken in the batter and then deep fry. Now please don't try this at home, it's too risky. It can be done by only experienced person. Like I am dipping my hand in the oil. Make sure that it is nice and golden. If you want, if the pieces are larger, then we can double fry it before tossing in the gravy. Step 4. Now the final cooking process. We'll start with the oil, the glaze, the warm. Then I will add some bell peppers, some onions, some garlic paste, saute a little. Now this is the main ingredient, this is chili paste. Little bit of water. This is a dry preparation and it should be dry because then only the maximum taste will come. And all the ingredients like MSG, salt, pepper powder, a little bit of sugar to enhance the taste. White vinegar. Oyster sauce. This is non-veg oyster sauce. Rice white vinegar. I will put some little cilantro in this to enhance the flavor. This is my own innovation. Finally, I will thicken it with cornflour water. Till I get the desired consistency. Dash of lime. Now I will put in the chicken. Paste. Step 5. Now we will plate this, which I believe that without plating the dish is incomplete. So I will pour some chicken over the fried noodles, crispy fried noodles. Some Z vegetables. It is called a Z vegetable because it is cut in zigzag manner. Some flowers of spring onions. And red chili. Some lemon. Anybody wants. Now it is done, and thank you for today.